ज्ञान की जोत से जीवन को सजाया, हर कठिनाई में आपने हमें रास्ता दिखाया. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu, and a very warm good evening to one and all present here. Respected trustees, advisors of Ajmal CSR, director of Ajmal Foundation, and all the dignitaries, and especially principals and teachers of Ajmal Group of Institution. I, Rafakat Chaudhary, student of Ajmal Law College, stand here today to share a few words in front of the August gathering on the auspicious occasion of the Teachers' Day. Today, we are gathered here to celebrate and honor the individuals who have played a vital role in our lives, that is, our teachers. As we all know that this day marks the birth anniversary of the first Vice President and the second President of independent India, Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishna, who was known to be a distinguished scholar and a teacher. So Teachers' Day is a very special occasion to express our gratitude and admiration for those who dedicated their lives to nurture our mind, to shape our future, and to inspire us for better dreams. We stand here to take a moment to reflect on the impact that the teachers have in our lives. Teachers are not only the provider of knowledge, but they are also the guiding lights who illuminate our path and hold our hands to take us towards our dreams. They are the heroes who work tirelessly behind the scene without expecting any recognition to ensure that we have all the essential tools and confidence to succeed in our lives. We can't even imagine our lives and journey of learning and growth without a teacher. Teaching and learning is a lifelong process when each and every steps we take. We, from our surrounding, we are born. The moment we are born, our mother, that is our Amma, becomes our first teacher, followed by our father and our siblings, without whom it would not be possible to become who we are today. Again, from the first time we picked up a pencil to the day we walk across the stage to receive our diploma, that were our teachers who played a very important role in the journey. Teachers are more than just educators. They are the architects of our potential. They lay us the foundation upon which they build our knowledge, our skills, and our values. Each and every lesson they impart upon us, and the challenges they present, and each and every encouragement they offer help us to shape our lives. So I recite, I am a bird who wants to fly. Maybe I don't know where my boundaries lie, but yet I saw my older bird fly. With that inspiration deep inside, I want to fly high and high. Today, we recognize the hard work and the commitment of teachers everywhere, every day. They work hard and give lessons and grading to us, but they also find joy in the success of the students, satisfaction, and their growth. We know that it is very challenging in this noble position, which calls the requirement of patience, tolerance, and a deep-sighted belief in the potential of every student. So to all the teachers present here today and to those who are not, I wholeheartedly offer my gratefulness to each and every one of them. Teachers, your dedication does not go unnoticed, and the impact is immeasurable. You are the true inspiration for this young generation. So we honor and celebrate all the teachers who have touched our lives in such a beautiful manner. As we celebrate you today, let us also pledge to support and value the teaching professions every day because of the sacrifices you make, the challenges you face, and the unwavering commitments you bring to your profession. In closing, to all the teachers there and everywhere, we offer our sincerest thank you for your dedication, your passion, and your commitment to education. Thank you for all that you do, for the life you touched, and for the future you help in building. I conclude by citing बिना माझी के कश्ती में सवार होने को चली थी मैं, अपने माँ के आंचल को छोड़ उस मुकद्दर को खेल के जरा देर से समझी थी मैं। मैंने समंदर नहीं देखा था कभी, पर जब रूबरू हुई तुझसे उसका भी साहिल ढूंढ लिया मैंने। Once again, a very happy Teachers Day to one and all present here. Thank you all for paying heed to my words. Thank you.